Hello everyone, welcome to the Security channel. In this video, we are going to talk about two questions from JEE Advanced 2021 Paper 1. Let's see what these problems are. Let's talk about the problem now. Three numbers are chosen at random, one after another, with replacement. From the set that we have here, including 1, 2, 3 up to 100. Now let's define P1 as the To solve these problems, we first need to find P1 and P2. Let's talk about P1 for now. P1 is the probability that the maximum of the three numbers that we choose is at least 81. Let's divide the set that we have here into two subsets. We have from 1 to 100. We are interested in numbers at least 81. So let's divide the set into two subsets, from 1 to 80 and from 81 to 100. Now let's pick the first number. It's going to be from the first set. Let's say that it's 10. Now the second set, let's assume that it's from the first set again. Let's say it's 20. And for the last one, let's say is 40. Now from these, the maximum is 40. And obviously 40 is not at least 81. So it's not included in P1. The thing that I'm trying to say is, basically, to find P1, it's better to find what's not included in P1. And to do this, we just need to find the probability that we choose all three numbers from the subset that we have from 1 to 80. It's going to be 80 over 100 to the power of 3, since we are going to choose three numbers at random with replacement. Now P1 is going to be 1 minus this number, and the rest is just some simplification. We calculate 80 over 100 as 4 over 5, and then 1 minus 4 over 5 to the power of 3 is going to be 125 minus 64 over 125, which can be written as 61 over 125. Now let's move to P2. P2 is the probability that the minimum of chosen numbers is at most 40. Now we need to divide the set into two parts again, but this time we are going to target 1 to 40 in one set and then 41 to 100 in another set. Now let's say we are going to choose all these numbers from the second set, which is from 41 to 100. Let's say that these numbers are 60, 61 and 62 for the sake of simplicity here. In this case, the minimum of these numbers is going to be 60 and it's not at most 40. So here what you've seen is, to find P2, we basically tried to see what's not included in P2. To do this, I'm going to select all these numbers from the set that we have from 41 to 100. It's going to be 60 numbers out of 100 numbers. and its probability is going to be 60 over 100 to the power of 3. Again, since we have three numbers chosen at random, one after another with replacement. Now P2 can be calculated as 1 minus 60 over 100 to the power of 3. And if you apply some simplification, again, you're going to find P2 defined as 98 over 125. Now that we have P1 and P2, we can go back to question 5 and 6 and solve them easily. To target question 5, we need to find 625 over 4 times P1. P1 is 61 over 125, so applying some simplification results in 305 over 4, which is 76.25. Targeting question 6, we need to find the value of 125 times P2 over 4. So we are going to replace P2 with 98 over 125, and then 125 over 4 times P2 is going to be 24.50. Thanks for watching the video. If you would like to see more puzzle math involved activities and problems from different math competitions and Olympiads, please subscribe to this channel. This is the CRT channel, and we hope to see you in the next video.